YOLOv8 for object detection. In the previous session I explained about YOLOv5. Later I explained YOLOv6 and V7 also. Today I going to see what is YOLOv8 and why so familiar and what is the need of YOLOv8 with simple example, that means image. YOLOv8 YOLOv8 is one of the deep learning model where utilized for object detection and very familiar today because of the main benefit of YOLOv8 is its speed only, speed and accuracy, moreover support precision also. Here YOLOv8 is very familiar because when it comes to the traditional object models, it consists of multiple stage and complex computations. But once come to the YOLOv8, it always follows single stage performance and fast and very easy. That means very easily view the results. So once come to the YOLOv8, since this is a deep learning model approach and also follows the neural architecture, and with the help of YOLOv8, what we can do means we can easily identify the objects with predict, that means it predict the bounding boxes and class labels simultaneously. That is possible. So compared to V5 V7 versions, YOLOv8 is very familiar and so many advantages that when come to the YOLOv8. If you have YOLOv8, you can detect the objects like people. Let's see the example like people, car, vehicle in real time. It may be a frame, image or video frame also. On real time, any real time applications we can implement YOLOv8 algorithm very easily. So once see the diagram, you can see the variations. What is the result of YOLOv5, like a car with predictions like that, and YOLOv6, YOLOv7, at last YOLOv8, and so many number of applications are developed, and this application needs supply YOLOv8 like surveillance cameras, medical imaging and so on. Here see the example of the image where consider car, multiple cars. Every car is bounded with bounding boxes and class labels simultaneously. So this is about YOLOv8 introduction and what is and why we need YOLOv8. Remaining we will discuss in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.